In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an app called Zynn to make money online fast by just watching TikTok videos, so stay tuned. Hey, this is Drew Gallagher here to help you grow your business fast and make money online. If you don't want to miss the top tips and strategies on how to make money online and get your business off the ground, then smack the crap out of that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss anything I'll be releasing on a daily basis. Alright, let's get started with Zynn. Alright guys, so I'm on my iPhone, and as you can see I have Zynn downloaded. It's Z-Y-N-N, and the way you find that is you go to the App Store. If you're on Android, you'll go to the Google Play Store. You'll type in Zynn, and then here it is. So it is a video app, and you just download it. I already have it, so I'm just going to open it. And it basically is an app where it plays really popular TikTok videos, and you can also post your own videos. You can have your own account. It's very similar. It's basically a TikTok clone. There's a For You page, a following page, and you have your profile. But the most important part is this gift box in the middle. So as you can see, it's halfway filled in. So it's a circle. So essentially every time I watch something, it's gonna grow. So I go to the next video and see how it's growing at the bottom, and it's going all the way to the top. And the more videos I watch and the more watch time I accrue, the more points I'm gonna get. So I keep watching videos, and right there. So it does a little animation. I just earned 48 points. If I wanna see how much I've earned so far, I have to click the gift box. And then I'm going to get to this rewards screen. So when you sign up, you get $1, and you can invite friends, and you can earn up to $110. So if you're interested in referrals and you want to be an affiliate for this product, every 5 friends you get an extra bonus $10, and then you can refer friends, earn up to $20, and there's no limit as well. So you share your referral code, invite your friends to download it, and you can earn up to $8 and earn 120,000 points for every friend you invite. And the points turn into money. If you want to check your actual balance, you click My Balance, and then you can see how many points you have. And you can see how much money you can actually redeem. You can also redeem a gift card. And it's going to show you how many points you've earned over time by watching different videos and how you did it. So I got a newcomer award, I got $1, and then all these points. But as you can see, it's super easy to earn points. All you have to do is watch these videos. You swipe through them, and they're only like, 10 to 15 seconds long, most of them. So you just watch these, you earn points, and you can add those up and redeem them. You can also post your own content. This is an entertaining way to earn points and earn money fast. So I just watched like 3 videos, and it took like 30 seconds, and I've already earned another penny. And that's really fast. Most survey sites, you have to watch a lot of videos, and you have to have a lot of tabs open, and there's a lot of work to do this. But all you have to do is download the app. It's free, and you're just watching videos and swiping through them, and you're earning points, which is super easy. Now remember, you can't just swipe as fast as you can. You have to actually let it watch the video, and then you can swipe. I'm not encouraging you to use any bots. I don't know anything about that kind of stuff yet. Maybe there's something out there where it will swipe for you automatically, and you can start earning points even faster without having to do anything. I'm sure that's in the works. I would suggest you research that on your own. However, you can see that it's not that much work to do this, if you did this for an hour a day, like at nighttime or something. I guess one of the only downsides is a lot of the content that is showing on here is pretty raunchy. And what I mean is, a lot of it is very explicit, and they're really focusing on sexualized content like this, and some of it's really funny like that. So you just have to keep in mind what you're watching and how you're earning money. But if you find a way to do this passively, you won't have to worry about it. As I've been talking, I've just earned a couple other pennies. So it's super easy. So if you have a commute, train ride, car ride, you can do this all during that time. So as you can see, using Zynn is a great way and an easy way to make money fast by just watching TikTok-like videos. I encourage you to download the app. I'll put a link in the description so you can find it a little easier. If you like this video, smack the crap out of that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of this great content, so you can make money online faster and grow your business. Zynn might be the next competitor to TikTok, as TikTok isn't paying users to watch things, so who knows? Be on the lookout for more Zynn content. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.